I'm back to welding on the Volkswagen. I just went in and notched that, did a little grinding around where the pipe goes. Got it to where it fits pretty decent, so I'm just gonna lay this flat where this side is straight. I'll get that welded here on the back to where it'll hold it in place, and then I'll start working my way around. We'll probably weld it onto the tube. Just weld it wherever I can. Looks like it needs it. Make it into one piece. Alright, we got one side welded in there. Definitely not the easiest thing I've welded because it gets really thick in here. Required a lot of heat. Once the side's done, went ahead and just welded that right onto the pipe, going all the way around. So that's supported. Little bit ugly, but I'll clean it all up, make it look nice. Now, on to welding the second one. Okay, got the second side all welded up. Now I'm going to go in and shape everything, make it look presentable. Got to trim down these pointy fins, go through deburr everything, just make it look nice, and then we can get on with the valve train. Well, I have went over the heads after I got all the welding done. Just smooth things out a little bit. Now, I normally don't grind on my welds too much, but since this is not just welding two pieces together, it's a lot of filler. Thought I'd clean them up a little bit. Slap some paint on that, everything will look great. And for the grinding, I picked up an assortment of these small discs that go in the angle grinder, but I also picked up a bunch of these cartridge rolls from Harbor Freight. Those things are super handy. For all those was like 20 bucks. You get two mandrels like this and you just stick that cartridge roll in there, slide it down and kind of screw it onto that section there and go to grinding. They work really good. Quicker than the deal I had made in the past that uses part of no sanding belt. So that worked good. When we put the rocker shaft through, I'll need to spot face a small section accurately for the little pedestal for the end. So right now, next process is, well, I got to finish cleaning them. And then once I've got them totally spotless, we can put the valves back in and then work on the rocker shaft. Have to cut two shorter rocker shafts. I've got to machine the ends of them to accept a bolt on each end, one for the pedestal and one for a stop on the other side, and then get everything spaced out in between to hold the rockers in place. So rocker arm and valve train will be the next video.